Good morning, Clearbrow, North Dallas, 2024 Tesla S. This came to me with probably about 8,000 miles. It was purchased pre-owned through Tesla. And what we did is a full correction, did some paint touch-up, and full wrap with the Ultimate Plus PPF. And on this car, just like all the cars we do, priority is getting all these edges wrapped in, so there's no edges showing. Everything getting wrapped in. So let's take a walk around and look at it. Great color to wrap. The silver metallics are my favorite, the platinums. The bumper has a few little hits on it. We touched up a majority of those what we could, but car looks fantastic. Doesn't look like it has any film on it at all besides the high gloss and the hydrophobic surface on it. It's a PPF with ceramic in it. So let's check it out here. So here we are coming around all these corners getting wrapped in. We don't have any edges of anything. Our corners, see here, everything's wrapped behind 100%. The hood cleaned up real nice. It had a lot of contaminants on it. Wrapping all these edges in. Everything just looks really nice. This car turned out really, really nice for as dirty as it was. The cleanup was a little bit longer than normal, but that's what it has to be. I don't charge extra for that, but again, doesn't mean bring your car in absolutely filthy. Help me out a little bit, I say. But the cleanup needed a lot of attention. I think he lives down a dirt road, but that A-pillar is all in one piece, all the way behind here and all the way here. No lines, the doors, everything's in nicely. All this goes in nicely. All these rockers go 100% all the way under, covering all the paint. Has some scrapes under it, but that's inevitable of a car that's older. This here comes all the way into the glass, all the way down, no line on the outside. The bumper and all this here, all one. It gathers up under the plate. All these edges are fully wrapped in all the way up and down. Coming around over here by the entry for the electric, no line. Everything's underneath that door. Everything goes in right here. Everything looks fantastic. This all goes underneath that rear quarter window and all into the wheel well. So you don't want those edges, because those edges eventually, from wiping the car off and rubbing a towel over them, you know, if you're to do this, you're going to start to damage those edges, and that's not a warranty claim. That's wear and tear, and it's totally acceptable not to wrap an edge. You just have to be aware there's an edge there, and not to abuse it. Let me tell you, the film's plenty durable for the wiping, but everybody wipes it a different way, different towels, a lot of different things that could cause that edge to have little frayed edges on it or start to look like it's coming up. So, but there it is, Tesla S, full wrap Xpel's Fusion film. And any questions, feel free to comment, ask us. And numbers for us, landline 214-414-3809, and the cell 940-703-8301 on Brent. And you get me at Clearbrow, North Dallas at Gmail. And I appreciate anything you guys have for feedback. Follow us, and we'll look forward to talking to you soon. Take care.